Welcome to this class of fluid mechanics. Here today we will have a practice session, right? We have already attended many lectures, already studied too many concepts, so it will also be a kind of revision lecture to refresh your concepts, right? So we will solve this numerical. We have aluminium cube here suspended by a string, right? It is basically suspended in a half dipped in, basically it is basically half dipped in water and half it is dipped in oil. Okay, and yeah, this will mean it has a specific weight of 25.93 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, and it has a side of 150 mm. Basically it's a cube, so all sides will be equal to 150 mm. That is given in the question. Okay, here it is suspended by a string. Fine. Yeah, water has a density of 1000, 1000 kg per meter cube, and we have a specific oil. We have oil for specific gravity 0.8. Okay, yeah, it is half dipped in water and half dipped in oil. What we need to find in this question? We need to find the tension in the string. Fine. We have aluminium cube, specific weight is given 25.93 kilonewton per meter cube, having a side of 150 mm. It is dipped in, half dipped in water and half dipped in oil, right? So now we have to calculate the tension in the string. So to calculate the tension, first of all we need to resolve the forces, right? We need to know what forces are acting on this aluminium cube. For that we will draw the free body diagram of this aluminium cube. Fine. We will see what forces are acting on that. Let's say this is aluminium cube. Okay, and here the tension force is acting in upward direction via the string that we need to find in this question. One is the weight of this aluminium cube that is acting downwards, and there will be a buoyancy force. What is buoyancy force? Buoyancy force is the weight of displaced fluid, right? Which will act in a upward direction on the body. So we have T plus Fb is equal to W by equilibrium of forces. T plus Fb must be equal to W, right? Which also implies that T is equal to W minus Fb, that is weight of cube minus buoyancy force, that will be equal to tension in the string. Fine. So first of all we need to find the weight of our aluminium cube, right? Weight of aluminium cube. So what is the weight? First of all, what is given to us? Specific weight. What is specific weight? It is equal to rho g, right? We know what is specific weight. Rho g. Rho is the density of fluid, g is the acceleration due to gravity, right? Yeah. So what is W? W will be equal to first of all let's write the basic formula. So W is equal to rho g into V, right? Rho g V, where rho is the density of fluid, g is acceleration due to gravity, and V is the rho is not the density of fluid, rho is the density of object, basically here the density of cube, and V is the volume of cube, right? So W is equal to rho g V. Okay, yeah. So rho g is given to us, specific weight, that is 25.93, multiply by volume of this cube. What will the volume of cube? It will be equal to A cube, right? Volume is the cube of its side. So volume is A cube, which is also equal to 0.15 meter cube. Fine, 0.15 cube. 150 mm is the side. So my weight will be 25.93 multiplied by 0.15 cube. Fine. So weight we have already calculated here. Now we need to find the value of Fb, buoyancy force. So this we have calculated. Next step is to calculate the buoyancy force. Fine. So what is buoyancy force? Buoyancy force will be equal to weight of fluid displaced, right? So here half is displaced oil, half is displaced water, right? So what will be the equation for buoyancy force? We will write two parts here, one for oil, one for water, right? So first of all, let me write for oil. It will be equal to rho oil into V1 G plus rho H2O into V2 into G, where V1 and V2 are volumes, right? V1 is the volume submerged in oil and V2 is the volume submerged in water, which are equal here, as it is given in the question that half is submerged in water and half is submerged in oil. So it will be equal to, what is the rho of oil? Rho of oil is 0.8 into 10 raised to power 3, fine, into 1000, 0.8 as specific gravity of oil is given, into 0.15 cube, which is the volume of cube, divided by 2, as half of volume is submerged in oil, fine, plus into 9.81 value of G plus rho of H2O, which is 1000 kg per meter cube, multiply by volume, it's the same, 0.15 cube divided by 2, as half of volume is submerged in water, multiply by 9.81, fine. So this is the equation for the buoyancy force that is acting in upward direction, right? So what will be the tension? Tension will be equal to W minus FB. So we have calculated both the equations already, for the equation for W and equation for FB. Let's say this is equation 1, and buoyancy wali, the equation for buoyancy is equation 2, FB equation 2, fine. So what will be the tension? T is equal to W minus FB, which is 1 minus 2. So when we will solve this equation, when we put the values and calculate, the tension will came out to be 57.7 Newton. You can calculate that, it will came out to be this value. This is the answer, which is the tension in the string that we wanted to calculate, fine. I hope you understand this numerical. It was quite simple. It was basically to refresh your concept, right? So please keep revising, okay? Otherwise you will forget all the things that we have already studied, and keep solving various numericals. This was just a small practice session, fine. Well, we will meet in next class. If you have any doubts or any comments, please put it in comment section. Bye bye.